Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel. This video was made specially for you, for new subscribers of my channel, to give you an opportunity to see some of the things that I have to offer, and also to introduce you to the latest workshop that I'm going to be doing online. And this will be a controversial workshop, and it's going to require what I call science with a backbone. Many scientists are afraid to talk about things that are politically incorrect, or that they probably need to get out of their own little sheltered life to see that there's some things out there that need to be discussed. And the title of the workshop I'm going to be doing, it'll be April 11th, is going to be Addictions Are Not an Illness. Addictions are not illnesses. Addictions are sociocultural dysfunctions seeking desire in a dysfunctional way, and then creating neuromaps that cause addictions and what we call a dysfunctional excessive behavior. It needs to be treated, but not like an illness. An illness gives a helplessness to people and tells them you're sick for the rest of your life, and that's not true. You're not sick. So I'll be talking about that, and I'll be talking about the difference between what's an obsession, what's a compulsion, and what's an addiction. I'll be talking about how addictions can be treated without seeing it as a helpless illness. And also why, if you treat it the way that it needs to be treated, it allows the person to know that they're more than an addiction. Otherwise, you identify your whole being with an addiction. I know, for example, people say, my name is Mario, I'm an alcoholic. That's nonsense. You are an individual who has a particular problem by triggering some genes that can be also not triggered based on the things that you do. So it has nothing to do with a lack of will, and it has nothing to do with an illness. So I hope you join me. It'll be very good, I think, for professionals who are interested in learning, for people who are open to new ideas, but this is not going to be a controversial, hysterical, emotional responses. It's going to be giving you some science. I have worked in addictions for over 30 years, and I have developed treatment programs. I've been director of treatment. So I'm coming from a place of information. But what I want you to know is that the model of disease has failed miserably, and it's about time to come up with something new. So I hope you join me. And even if you don't join me for the workshop, look around, and I have over 130 videos in Spanish and in English for you to enjoy biocognition. And please subscribe so that you can have information when anything comes up that's new. Enjoy and welcome. And I hope to see you at my workshop. It'll be on Zoom online, April 11th, and you can look up all the information at the bottom of on the description of the video. So enjoy, and I'll see you soon.